What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the Riff machine in FL Studio. Now the Riff machine lets you get super dope patterns and grooves very easily. So let's get right into it. Now to pull in the Riff machine, you could do it a couple ways. You can pull in Omnisphere or some VST and then go into the piano roll and then click the arrow, go to Tools, and then Riff machine. You can also click Alt-E, which is the shortcut for it. Or if you wanted to pull in a version of Citrus with the pattern of the Riff machine right away, you can go up to Tools and then just click Riff machine. And once I click this, it's going to instantly pull in the Riff machine on a instance of Citrus and instantly start putting a pattern in there. So there's going to be some stuff playing. Now that's actually really fire. That was just a random pattern that it gave me, but did you hear that? That actually sounded nice. So if I play that again. Now I can mess with the velocity levels right here, or go to levels over here, mess with the velocity levels. You can mess with the progression. You can make it so it's just chords. To do that, you would have to take off the arpeggiation. You can mirror it. Once again, mess with the levels. This can mess with the variation of it, of each individual note. You can mess with the groove and get it a little bit more unquantized. And you can transpose it with this as well. So yeah, you can get some very interesting vibes just by messing with this and getting different grooves. So yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.